Hey everybody, you guys are going to be our live studio. We're going to be shooting lots of content to put up on our social media sites today. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Clip-Clop, MySpace. Yeah, Clip-Clop. The reindeers use that one, I think. I'm not too sure. So just make sure you get those phones out. We want to get every angle possible. We got that, we got the dish, the sugar, sign, bowl, funnel, milk. Right? It's like one of those things, right? Like I hold up the sign, and then you guys hold up. But we're going to be shooting all of our North Pole webisodes here. I'm so sorry. Let me introduce myself. I'm Kirby. The big man in red himself asked me to produce, thank you, produce this magical new web series we have here today. You can imagine with the popularity of baking shows like Sugar Rush, Nailed It, Is It Cake, kind of like that. That we would want to feature the North Pole's most famous baker, Mrs. Claus.
Oh goodness, I've just heard my name and I'm nowhere near where I'm supposed to be. I'm coming, Kirby, I'm coming!
Don't worry, you're okay, Mrs. C. We haven't introduced you yet.
Oh, thank goodness, I could have sworn I heard you say Mrs. Claus.
Yes, but I still have to get the audience prepped on what it is that they need to do. Reminds me, I'm gonna need some help from all of you today. Not only are we looking for some cooking content, but we really want to get some fun TikTok-style moments that we can put up on all of our channels. So if you guys help us out, I'll make sure to put in a word with a certain someone about the nice list. You catch my snowdrift, yeah? Okay. All right, one more thing I wanted to share about Mrs. Claus.
And here I am! The OG cookie lady ready to mix it up with all of you here today!
Not yet, Mrs. C.
Oh, but Kirby dear, you said Mrs. Claus.
Yeah, that's my fault. I'm so sorry. We wanted to play that theme music that we had written first, and then you show up.
Right. Sorry, everyone. I just got a little excited. Oh, it's usually Santa who makes these kind of appearances. I'll just go back inside and wait for my cue.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Just wait for the applause.
Right. Got it. Wait for Mrs. Claus.
No, the applause. Hello. Wait. After the theme song. Did you get that? Where'd she go? Mrs. Claus!
And here I am! The OG cookie lady ready to mix it up with all of you here today!
Not yet! Wait for the music.
Oh, sugar plums, the music.
Yeah, and the applause.
Right, so after the music, I'll applaud.
No. They will provide the applause.
Oh, they look like they can handle that. Hi, audience! So, let's practice, everyone. Ready? Applaud!
So good, but they have to wait for me to hold up the applause sign.
Oh, delightful, dear.
It's so good, so please go through the door and wait for the music and the applause, okay?
Right. Sorry, Kirby, for taking over. I will just be behind this door, waiting for my cue.
Perfect, Mrs. C. You're doing great. You're a star. All right. Ren, play the theme music.
Mix it up.
What are you doing?
You said, Ren, play the theme song, and then you said, now is the time you come out.
Okay, I wasn't talking about you. I was talking about Mrs. Claus!
And here I
Wait, how? No! Please, for the love of Claus, go back to your place.
Got it. Hi, Mrs. C.
Oh, hi, Randy. Oh, sorry, Kirby.
It's all right, Mrs. C.
Ren,
what are you doing in the oven?
Oh, you told me to set up the cameras.
Not in the oven.
Okay, well, how else are we supposed to get the shot of Mrs. C putting the cookies in the oven?
Oh, it will bake for the camera.
Oh. Yeah, probably not a good place to put a camera.
Never mind. I need to go speak with Mrs. Claus about her cue. Come follow me.
Okay.
I want you to stand right over here.
Okay.
Folks, let me introduce you to our technical wizard who sprinkles a little chaos into every single production that we do. Ren, go ahead, stall bud, you got this.
Wait,
yep, you got it. You're on it. No, you can do it. It's okay, don't worry. You got it. Sorry, I can't hear it. Jingle bells, are they listening?
What's good? I'm Ren. I record stuff. So, wait, actually, you guys might be able to help me with that. You guys all have cell phones, right? Okay, so go ahead and take those out for me. See, I put tiny little digital cameras all over the theater, right? So like, there's one here, obviously, and then there's one right there, and then one right there, and one right there, and then one up there, and one up there, and one down there, and then not in the oven, apparently. Oh, and then I put one right up there, and what was I saying? Yeah. Oh, phones! So, you guys can help me get all kinds of good angles today, and we need lots of content because these images are gonna go all over the world. So, let's practice a little bit. I'm gonna go out there and take some selfies with you guys. And if you post it, make sure to hashtag it Mrs. Claus Magic Kitchen. Okay.
Ren, what are you doing? I told you to set up the cameras, not pose in front of them.
Yeah. I was just, making sure they work.
Get up here, please.
Okay.
Jeez, that guy had way too much eggnog anyway. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Play the music.
I am the OG cookie lady, ready to mix it up for all of you here today.
Cookies and pies, lemons and skies, soldiers out of sight. We gotta mix it up. Cooking with Mrs. Claus.
Yay!
Oh, what a warm welcome. Oh, thank you all for being here today. Now, let's make something truly magical in our kitchen. Isn't much of a kitchen though, is it, dears? Kirby, why are we cooking on the street?
Well, it's cooking to suit it up with Mrs. Claus, right? It's a play on words where we are mixing it up like a recipe, but we are doing a kitchen pop-up. So mix it up with Mrs. Claus. Yeah.
Clever,
Thank you.
dear.
You're an influencer now,
Yeah.
Mrs. C.
Influencer. Is that some kind of Insta term?
Oh. No.
Oh!
An influencer is someone who inspires and delights people, just like you do with your magical cooking and airplane wings. Warmth. We just want to reach as many young chefs as possible.
Well then,
Yeah.
let's get cooking!
All right.
And that's a play on words like
Comedian genius. What are we cooking, Mrs. C?
Oh, yes. Today we are making Santa's absolute favorite baked treat, milk and cookies.
Awesome. All right, you do the cookies, I'll get the milk.
Oh no, Kirby, no. It's milk and cookies. A very common mistake. In fact, when people first heard it, they started leaving out cookies and milk for Santa. Oh, but so much milk in one night gave Papa, well, a bit of a bubble gut. Oh. No, it's milk and cookies. An old family tradition that I will teach to all of you here today. Let's get started. Oh.
Okay.
I'll go this way, dear.
All right.
That way, then.
Yeah. Almost missed you.
Ren, dear, what are you doing?
Record it.
No, dear, you're blocking my path.
No, I'm recording you. See?
Oh, that's a camera!
Yeah.
They make them smaller and smaller every year.
I know.
I mean, next, they'll be putting them in ovens.
Okay, actually, it'll bake the... Okay.
Oh, now, dears, where's the pantry? Oh.
Right there.
Wonderful. Ren, let's take a peek inside, dear. Oh! Seems our pantry is rather bare.
No one look at Ren.
Ren, dear, did you forget to stock the pantry?
I'm really sorry, Mrs. C. I must have gotten caught up with, all the cameras.
Ren, this is crucial. How are we gonna make milk and cookies without any ingredients?
Oh, now, Kirby, we can figure this out. We're surrounded by the magic of the holidays.
Yeah.
Jeez.
All we need are some words.
Words.
Yes, dear, words are magic. I mean, didn't your families ever tell you to say the magic word?
Please.
Oh, very good, dears, very good. Now, what I need from all of you is I need you to shout out holiday words, and that will help fill our pantry. Go ahead, dears, start shouting out holiday words.
Joy! Oh,
Joy,
three times. That's great.
dears, I can't quite hear you.
Thank you for saying holiday words over here. I was
Presents. Oh, I tried. Good dears. A little louder.
Presents, gingerbread.
Snow. Santa. How sweet dears. Oh, how beautiful. Jingle bells.
Okay.
Oh, that should be quite
Nachos,
enough,
finally.
dears. That should be quite enough. Now, let's take a peek inside and see if it worked. Go ahead, dears.
What?
Holiday magic is quite handy, especially in the kitchen.
What?
Now, Red, be a dear and get me what I need from the cupboard.
Oh, I'm filming.
Oh, Kirby, I usually have some help when I'm cooking in the kitchen.
I can't do everything.
Oh, Kirby,
You know
everything
what?
for
That's
Kirby.
okay, Mrs. C. We can use these folks out here, right?
Nothing like mixing up with the locals, drive home some content, yeah?
Oh, I love that idea, Kirby. Oh, that's why Santa put you on the project. He's got ideas.
See, Mrs. Claus. All right, folks, she's gonna need some help today. Who out there thinks they'd be a good kitchen elf?
Raise your hand. Let's see that holiday cheer.
Now, I only need 2 helpers,
Get it up,
dears.
get it up, get it up. Let's sing.
Who could we get? Who could we get over here?
Oh, dear.
You look like
Well,
you're
they're going to pick out my helpers, but I'm so
Come on.
appreciative of all of you wanting to help me.
This way.
Thank you, dears.
I'm ready.
Perfect. I know, you just took the long way over.
All right.
Yeah, like a rooftop. So what's your name?
Oh, Mrs. C. This is Ashley.
Oh, hello, dear. Good to see you. And who do we have over here?
I've got Anch for you today,
Oh,
Mrs. C.
hello, darling. Now, today we're going to be making Santa's favorite treat, milk and cookies. What I need from the 2 of you is you're going to go to the pantry and bring me what I call out. Do you think you can do that for me? Oh, very good. Head on over, dears, and when I say go, just start bringing me what I call out. Ready, set, go! 1 stick of unsalted butter, granulated white sugar, brown sugar packs, red sugar, green sugar, 2 large eggs, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, chocolate chips, milk. Suppose I was talking a bit too fast, wasn't I, dears? Very good. You are lovely, dears. No need to cry over the spilled milk. Everyone give my helpers a big round of applause. Wonderful. Now we're going to take our sugar plums. Sugar plums. I didn't say sugar plums, did I? Oh, that's all right, dears, because we can make some with words. What I need from you 2 is I need you to say, sugar plum, yum, yum, yum. And you have to do the movement to the magic old word.
It's really important.
Can you do
It's
that for me,
unpaid.
dear? Okay, here we go. And sugar plum, yum, yum, yum.
What?
Oh, dears, you are filled with holiday magic. Oh, perfect. Now we need a smothering of milk. Kirby, be a dear.
Sure.
And I'll take these. Now, a very important job for you, dear. You're going to come over here and watch and make sure that I only get a smothering of milk. Very good. Now, family recipes can be a little challenging, especially if I say a smothering of milk. Oh, a little bit less than a pinch, a little bit more than a handful. Oh, it's always a bit tricky. But once you've done the recipe as many times as I have, you will get it just right, dears. Now, that should be quite enough right there. Now, let's take a peek inside. What do we have? There's nothing?
What?
Oh, that's quite all right, dears, because we were making evaporated milk. Everyone give my helpers a big round of applause. Now you 2 can get back to your families. Oh, they were lovely. Oh, now we have the evaporated milk. We need the sky milk. Does anyone know what sky milk is? Any ideas? What do you think, friend? Yes, and it falls from the sky. It's very cold. Around winter time. Any ideas? Shout it out, dears. Snow. Very good, Kirby. Get me my snow.
Yeah, Ren's got the snow. Don't-
Oh, right. Yeah,
I
yeah.
understand the little translation. It gets mixed up within the
Ah,
interpretations, and you didn't refrigerate it.
What? Oh.
Red dear, when working with snow, everyone, it's very important that it's freshly fallen, not sleeted, not too hard, not too soft. It's like butter, dear. Has to be perfect.
I'm really sorry, Mrs. C. I just didn't know that there were food grade properties for Snow.
Yeah, that's okay, Ren. You only ruined everything.
Oh, now, Kirby, we can figure this out. Just give me a moment to think, everyone. Oh, that's not it.
It's Mrs. C.
No,
We
that's
don't need.
not.
I mean, we can have a moment, but it's.
And we're all thinking
Don't get
together.
20-minute
Oh,
show.
so many thoughts, and we're pacing.
I gotta
and
go
we're...
to Sesame Street. I got a quick cue. Mrs. C.
I got it! All we need to do is the NP snow step. Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. The NP snow step.
North Pole.
Oh, now on the rare occasion that the snow isn't falling just beautifully in the North Pole, the elves get together and do the NP snow step to make it perfect. Now I'll teach it to the two of you dears. It goes like this. Snowfall arms, reindeer trot,
Okay.
down the chimney, mix it up. We do those each 4 times, and then we do a double time.
Sure.
Do you think you've got that, dear? You might want to put that down, because here we go. Hit it!
Okay, wait, right now.
I'm really not much of a dancer.
Snowball, 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 and ring your drum, ring your drum, ring your drum,
So natural.
and ring your drum, and down the chimney,
Ho, ho, ho.
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 and mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. One more time, double time. Snowball on, snowball on, snowball on, snowball on. Ring your drum, ring your drum, ring your drum, ring your drum, down the chimney,
Ho, ho, ho.
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 and mix it up, 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 and finish. Not quite what we were looking for, dears.
I didn't think my dancing was that bad.
Yeah, that's Florida snow.
Are you sure you mixed it up enough,
Well, you
dear?
know, Mrs. C, there is only 3 of us. Maybe we need more dancers.
Oh, that's a great idea. We can all dance together. Oh, and this is the perfect moment to get your cellular devices out. We'll go viral. Oh, that's the word, right, dear?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And everyone, remember, hashtag Mrs. Claus Magic Kitchen.
Kirby
Okay.
and Ren are coming out to you, dears. Now I need for everyone to stand up.
All right,
Everyone, or else we won't get the snow, dears.
So,
Now, for sure, you have to stay in your seats. We are all sitting in the arms.
Oh,
Oh,
perfect.
wonderful.
unpaid.
Here we go. Hit it! 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Snowball on. Snowball on. Snowball on. Snowball on. And ring your drum. Ring your drum. Ring your drum. Ring your drum. And down the chimney. Down the chimney. Down the chimney. Down the chimney. And mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. One more time, couple times. Snowball on, snowball on, snowball on, snowball on. Ring your drum, ring your drum, ring your drum, ring your drum. Down the chimney, down the chimney, down the chimney, down the chimney. And mix it up, 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 and finish.
Mrs. C. I can't believe it. It's snowing.
And it's with the help of all of you, dears.
Oh, I got an idea. We'll get a bowl. We'll catch a left ball. There are presents.
Us clowns have our little bits of magic.
Bet you wish there were cameras in the oven now.
Thank you all for coming and mixing it up with Mrs. C. Goodbye.
Mix